In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks and reminders in Copper CRM. Let's start by opening your web browser and searching for Copper CRM. If you already know the address, you can type it directly into the address bar, but a quick search is perfectly fine. In the results, look for the official Copper CRM site so you know you're in the right place, then go ahead and click that first official link to continue. Once you're on the site, sign in with your usual credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct workspace for your team so the task shows up where you expect it. After you're in, head to the left-hand menu and click on Tasks. This is your hub for everything you need to follow up on. In the Tasks view, click the blue Add New button to create a fresh task. Now we'll enter the task details. Start with a clear, action-oriented name so you and your teammates instantly know what needs to happen, like call to confirm proposal rather than something vague. If you see an activity name field, use it to categorize the type of activity, such as a call, email, or meeting, to keep your reports clean. In the Related To field, connect this task to the relevant person, company, or opportunity. This link makes it easier to find context later from the contact or deal record. For owner, select who is responsible for completing the task. Choose yourself or assign it to a teammate. Set the priority to reflect urgency. Being consistent here helps the whole team triage their day. Add a concise description with any necessary details, talking points, or links so the owner has everything they need at a glance. Finally, apply tags that match your team's conventions. Tags make filtering and reporting much easier, especially when you're managing lots of tasks. Next, set when this work is due. Fill in the due date and due time. This defines the deadline and helps Copper sort your workload. Then, set a reminder date and time within the task. Think of the reminder as the nudge before the deadline, often earlier than the due time, so you have buffer to prepare. Double-check your time zone if your team works across regions. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new task will appear in the Tasks list and on any related records you linked. The reminder will trigger at the time you set, and you can always come back to edit details if plans change. That's it. Now you know how to create tasks and reminders in Copper CRM quickly, clearly, and in a way that keeps your workflow organized.